We found incredible partners including Google, Samsung, and Qualcomm, and we're building our product ecosystem on the Qualcomm Snapdragon platform. And we're incredibly excited to announce that, surprise, surprise, we will be launching a smartphone, the Nothing Phone 1. It's going to be the beating heart of our product ecosystem. The Nothing Phone 1 is the wake-up call that the industry needs. We're not saying we're going to fix the industry with just one product, but we want the Phone 1 to mark the start of change. We're really excited about working with Qualcomm and their innovative Snapdragon platform to fuel Phone 1's powerful and energy-efficient experience with fast connectivity speeds. And design-wise, it's unlike anything you've seen before. Let me show you. You might not get it just yet, but trust me, it's stunning. But it won't just be the unique hardware that makes the Phone 1 stand out. Now, let's move on to something I know a lot of you will want to hear more about, the operating system, Nothing OS. It's the best of Android, combined with our iconic design language, the hub for your digital life. We started by keeping what you love about stock Android and removed the bloatware. Why duplicate the great apps that Google has already made? Nothing OS will also be fast and smooth. It delivers the optimal processing power and RAM for the exact app you're using while learning from your usage. By caching in the RAM, the apps you use the most will launch faster, and the apps you're not using but take up resources in the background will be closed. In simple terms, that means your apps will load and close super fast. But what's speed without a smooth experience? We've unified the graphics between different screens so every interaction feels seamless. There's a high level of design consistency throughout the system, and we used stripped-back, minimal animations so you're not distracted by things jumping all over the place. Here's an example. The clock and top widgets are kept in the same place across the AOD, lock screen, and home screen, so it feels continuous. The thickness and contrast of the font gently changes as you transition from one screen to another, and the result? A smooth and uniform experience that's uniquely Nothing. And updates. Phone 1 will come with 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security updates. Next, let's talk about design. Our software was designed together with our hardware and our brand, and not separately like with other companies, so everything feels totally unified. We gave our OS bespoke fonts, colors, and graphical elements that all speak our unique visual language. One example here is the weather widget that uses the same dot matrix font as our logo. And look at those animations. When thinking about design, we like to balance what we call raw technology with human warmth. I think our voice recorder is a great example of that. We gave it a playful twist, so not only does it look cool, it also has an interactive analog tape reel that can be used to adjust playback speed. Sound is also an important part of design that often gets neglected. Here, we wanted to find the right balance between raw, technical sounds and more familiar sounds we might have heard before. We took inspiration from Morse codes, oscillators, and digital watches. It's still in development, but have a listen. Hey! Finally, Nothing OS is the foundation of our open ecosystem. Connecting to your other devices, including devices from other brands, will be effortless. You can quickly access Ear 1 settings and features through Quick Settings or the home screen widget. And we're also building support for your favorite non-Nothing products, like AirPods and Teslas. So if you like what you've seen, we'll be releasing the Nothing OS launcher in April, which will be available to download and install for select smartphone models. Stay tuned to our social channels for updates. Phone 1 is going to be a breath of fresh air to the sleepy smartphone market. Its design and user interface will really be something else. And we're building Nothing OS as a product that we'd be proud to share with friends and family. The whole team is super excited for you to experience it later this summer.